Okay, today I have a 2005 Toyota Tundra. I'm looking to restore this molding strip right here. It's very discolored. This is what it's supposed to look like originally, but you know, with the sun and everything, it's discolored to a kind of milky gray color. So something that I've heard has worked, other than like some back to black stuff from Mother's or something like that, is a heat gun. So I bought a little heat gun at Harbor Freight. It's like 10 bucks. And what you do is first you'll have to clean everything off, make sure there's no dirt or anything on it. Then you're going to turn it on. You got to put it really close. You can see it's already changing the color. So I think what this does is it burns off the top layer. It's not that great of a fix, but I want to see how it does. It's also not great at getting in the cracks. Not sure how I'll deal with that. It does a really good job on the other spots. Okay, so it didn't do that great of a job on the flat parts. It did really good and restored it to that black color, but any hard to reach areas, it did not do much. These grooves right here didn't do anything. It did it on the top, but the grooves did nothing. Another thing I noticed is when you're stepping on it, there's no traction anymore. It's really slick, so that's not anything I would recommend doing on a step rail.